I don't think we are going to be lacing up skates around here. I don't think we have enough ice. But Andrew, what does it look like out there? I feel like the roads may be thawing today.
Yeah, not enough ice, and I would certainly fall anytime anyway. But yeah, the roads are starting to get a little better, at least from the cameras that we have here out in the weather center. But again, just these are city roads, they're more traveled on, and the sun's out now. So those rural roads, and especially roads still in the shade, may not be as improved. But as we take a look at Longview right now with the Skyview camera, brought to you by the Monster Law Firm, you can certainly still see the dusting of sleet and snow out there on the sidewalks and on the roads as well. Oh, it looks like there's some clear spots, though, developing again. That's because of the sun warming the ice there and the roads. And again, even though the air temperatures are going to be below freezing, again, it takes longer for the sun to heat up the air as opposed to the sun heating up the pavement. The sun heats up the pavement a lot faster than the air. So even though the air temperature may not be above freezing, the road temperatures will start to get above freezing here as we head into the afternoon. 19 degrees for the temperature right now in Longview with a northwest wind at 14 miles per hour, and that is of course making things feel like it's in the single digits out there. Temperatures around the area look like this. It's the middle 10s to the low 20s. The 20s more likely to be found in deep East Texas right now. We still have some patches of clouds moving on through as well across the area, but for the most part we are seeing the clouds exit and we're seeing the mostly sunny skies. So we have been able to warm up a little bit, but we're going to be mostly below freezing as we head into this afternoon. By the afternoon hours, when we reach the peak daytime heating hours around 3 o'clock, we're going to be only in the upper 20s with a few low 30s in deep East Texas. We get pretty close to the freezing mark and right at the freezing mark in Hemphill. Before our piping concerns to go away, we need those temperatures to be above freezing. So it looks like for the most part we stay below that freezing mark as we head into this afternoon. It is possible though that we briefly rise up to say 33, 34 degrees in parts of deep East Texas later on today, but that would be an exception to the norm. So we'll have to wait until tomorrow afternoon to really get those pipes starting to thaw out and things like that. As we head into tonight though, air temperature wise, it may end up being a little bit colder than what we saw this morning. Wind at chill wise, on the other hand, though, will not be nearly as bad. Thankfully, the winds are a lot lighter tomorrow morning, so there will be a kind of a stillness to the air, but it's going to be cold with temperatures ranging from about 8 degrees up to 13 degrees in our warmest spots. So it's going to be another cold night ahead for us. A hard freeze expected, so any of that moisture that has developed on the roads with the ice melting will almost certainly refreeze during the overnight hours, especially on bridges and overpasses, which will cool off even faster than the air temperature. Now, as we take a look at the morning lows over the next 7 days, notice by Thursday morning, the morning low temperatures may not even get to the freezing mark, at least drop down towards there. It will stay above freezing even Thursday morning, but we'll see another round of Arctic air moving in this weekend, and morning lows by Saturday will drop down into the upper teens. So it is going to get a lot colder again this weekend, just not as cold as what we're seeing right now. So for today, we have those bitter winds making things feel even colder. High temperatures only in the upper 20s, and then for tonight we will drop down to about 12 degrees, so very cold, just not as windy. For your 7-day forecast, we are going to see those temperatures moderate through Thursday, a cool down expected this weekend, and then rain returns Sunday night into Monday. For your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website, that is ketk.com.